Education isn't preparation for life. Education is life itself. So you need to prepare your best for life. And testing yourself is the part of the action. Panacea Bharati Institute, along with online coaching of NTA UGC NET JRF, brings forward for you the opportunity to test yourself before NTA tests you through Panaceatutor.com. We provide 20 mock tests for paper 1 and 10 mock tests each for commerce and management of paper 2. Fee structure for the mock test is as follows. With the approaching UGC exam, online mock test is the need of the hour and we are here to help you. Please visit Panaceatutor.com and enjoy a free demo mock test. Also join our full online course of paper 1 and paper 2 with all the quality video lectures, complete PDF notes and regular test series. Thank you.